Hello, in this video I'm gonna try to help you fix the issue with your iPad mini 7th generation not charging. So if you have issues with charging your iPad, there are several things that you can do in order to try to fix this issue. However, keep in mind that in some cases the issue might be a little bit more serious and you might not be able to fix this by yourself, and instead you might need to go to a professional and tell them what is going on, what is wrong, and then try to fix that by giving them your iPad. However, before you actually do that, you have several options, like I said. And the first thing is, of course, use a different USB cable. So if you have your original USB cable, try to use any other, if you have one, from another device, like from your iPhone or Android, whatever you use. And then try to plug the USB cable, of course, to your iPad and to the charger or power adapter, and see if the issue is on the cable's side, of course. Now, if that is not the issue, if it still doesn't work, try to connect your iPad to your Mac or PC or Windows laptop, of course, and of course using the USB cable, and see if then you can actually charge your iPad. If you can, then of course the fault is on the power adapter side. If not, then we need to, of course, proceed. So we know at this point that the issue is not on the USB cable side, nor on the power adapter side. So instead, what you can do is, of course, clean the charging port. So over here we have the USB input, of course, the slot for the USB cable, and it might be dirty. There might be some debris inside, so you can try to clean the port by yourself. However, of course, you need to be really careful in order to not damage the USB port itself. You can try to gently blow into the port. However, of course, try to not spit inside, because you may cause even more damage. You can try to use a toothpick. It's a pretty good way to remove debris from the USB input. Or you can use a small, soft, bristled brush instead, and that works also pretty well with cleaning the USB port instead. However, try to not use anything metal. Any metal object might cause more damage to the USB port or the charging port, so keep that in mind. Try to be really careful with that, and keep it in mind that even with soft bristled brushes you can still do damage. So like I said, just be extra careful with cleaning the port. And I forgot to mention, but there's also one more thing that you can do, and that is, of course, performing the forced restart of your device. Sometimes there might be a bug or something on the iOS that's not allowing you to charge the iPad. So in order to perform the forced restart, you need to use buttons at the top. You want to press volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the top power button in order to do the forced restart. So let me actually demonstrate how it looks like. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button, and you need to keep holding that for like 10 seconds or so, and this screen should turn off soon. And after that, once it is off, you want to still keep holding until you actually see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the button. So this is also how we can force restart. Sometimes that helps, this helps, and sometimes it doesn't. It depends on the issue itself. Now, if nothing works, if none of these tips actually helped you, then I guess the best way to fix this issue is by, like I said, by visiting a professional who might have an idea of what is wrong. It could be the issue of the battery. Maybe the battery is just not working anymore properly. Maybe something with the charging port, actually something more serious than just some debris or a moisture. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.